I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to use our VLC. To do this, I'm going to upload an essay and review it with you. To upload any file, click on the top left where it says upload a file and then select a file from your computer. So I know today we're going to be working with Goth. If I selected the wrong file, I can choose to upload a different one. You'll notice on the right hand side in our chat box, it'll show that I have uploaded something. To minimize this chat box and the videos, click on this arrow. Here, you'll notice once we've added that file, it'll open up additional pages for us to work with. If there's anything that we need to highlight, you can just click on this highlight feature, and it will actually move it in a straight line, just for you. You can also choose different colors to highlight specific things. So say this is like the wrong date, you can put red. And maybe you want to make a key. So we can put red, use the text box, and say red means wrong. We can also increase the text, bold it, and italicize and underline. We can also choose different colors. We can also make a different part of our key. So we can put yellow and use the pen function that is also functional with your iPad or with your mobile device or any touchscreens. For any shapes that we're wanting to create, we can make squares, circles, triangles, and lines, again in different colors. To erase anything, just click on the eraser button. For our math users, we do have a grid function that does 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, along with an equation editor. If I want to write something in, click on this button. And it will translate it for you and add to the whiteboard. To download what you've been over or what's ever in the chat transcript, click on this download button and it will download it as PDFs. If you wish to share your screen, click on the share screen button and it will go over whatever tab that you are looking to go over. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.